Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to see how you can create a team space under Zoho CRM. So let's start the video. For creating team space under Zoho CRM, let's log into Zoho CRM. So I have already logged into my account and here you can see CRM team space, and in 3 dots you can see new team space, create folder, add module, manage CRM team space, view all team space. So by clicking this you can create a new team space. By clicking create folder you can create a new folder under this. If you want to add new modules you can add a new module from here. Okay, if you want to manage the team space you can manage from here, or if you want to see all the team space you can see it here. So now in this video we want to create a new, so we'll click on new team space. When you click on new space you can see you can write the team space name. So I will write sales. Okay, sales team space. Okay, so here you can see I have renamed it. If you want you can write the description here. Now we have to add the modules. So for the sales I'll add inquiry, contact, task and meeting. Okay, so these are the module that I want to assign to this team space. Now I'll just add these modules and it will ask for a permission. So if you whatever users in your account is, you can select the user and give the permission to them. Now it asks accessible to do all user or selected user. So if you want to add selected user you can select a user from here, or if you want to assign to all users you can assign to all users. Now I have one member in my account, so I'll assign to all members. Now you can save it here. So here you can see all our sales team space is there and all the modules assigned to this team space, you can see it here. Now if you want to add modules in this team space, so by clicking add modules you can add a module here. Okay, now if you want to manage all the team spaces or view, so you can easily click on this and you can view. So that's it about the video. If you want to learn more about Zoho or Zoho CRM or Zoho apps, you can subscribe to the channel so that you can get the update of further videos. If you want to automate your system, your CRM or any other Zoho app, you can book a consultation with us, the link in the description. You can connect with expert to solve your problem. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.